friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious lemongrass honey lemon water. Hope you like it. Lemongrass has a very fresh, fragrant flavor and is refreshing and delicious when drunk with lemon. It is also delicious whether you drink it hot or cold. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which has many functions such as antibacterial, improving immunity, and assisting collagen production. Drinking lemon water regularly can supplement vitamin C. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Lemon. Lemongrass. Pandan leaves. Add water into soup pot. Lemongrass wash and cut off dried outer layer. Pandan leaves wash and tighten knots. Lemongrass cut half and flatten to ease of release flavor. Add lemongrass and pandan leaves into soup pot and cook for 30 minutes. Sliced lemon. Squeeze a spoonful of lemon juice into cup and set aside. Take a slice of lemon and cut it. This is used to decorate the edge of the cup. Lemongrass water smells so good. Lemongrass water is light yellow in color and looks good. Add honeycomb sugar to taste. Lemongrass water is done once sugar melted. Add honey. Garnish with lemon slice. Add to slices lemon. Garnish with lemongrass too. Delicious lemongrass honey lemon is done. Yummy! Lemon honey water can play an auxiliary role in whitening, but if you drink it every day, it will be very beneficial to your body. Lemon reduces heat. Honey moisturizes the lungs. Friends and who like also cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I'll upload new recipe every day. See you tomorrow, yeah.